Yo, what's cracking YouTube? It's your boy Automatically back here with another video. Today we got a little install on Sabrina on this here Autozone Type S front lip spoiler. All right, now I've had this exact one on the car before, didn't film it. If you see my Instagram, there's pictures of it, whatever. It's super simple, looks fresh, but I'm gonna film it this time for you and actually help your installation process, because yeah, it was a thing and it was super droopy. I also had a Type S lip on the rear too, right here. I think I did make a video for that one. It lasted a year and it just fell off the other day when my buddy opened the trunk. So yeah, of course it left these remnants on the trunk. Ugh, nasty, freaking little patches. So I still got to figure that out, how to get that off. I missed that dang lip back here, y'all. It looked good. But I do like the factory little ducktail. It is sharp too, but that will be changed for sure. But we're working on the front today. You can see the existing screws there still. Let's open this up. Let me show you what is inside the package. But I'm going inside because I'm already sweating and I've been out here for like 2 minutes. All right, let's get to unboxing. This is the AutoZone Type S universal front bumper spoiler is what they call it. All right, let me get my handy dandy custom scissors here. Shout out to the dogs. So here it is. You see the type of, I guess, colorness, the matte. It's kind of like a matte black. Sharp classic. I guess you could paint it if you wanted to. I don't know. So you get the long boy lip. You know, it's universal, so it can fit a whole lot of different things. It looks, here's how it sits. Sits like that. This tape does not work, y'all. This tape sucks. There's no shock. Here we go. We got some stuff here in the pack. Some alcohol prep pads, primer adhesion promoter, got 2 of those. I did not use this last time, so maybe that's why the thing sucks. So it tells you what to do, but I'm gonna show you what to do. But it also comes with 10 screws, all right, 10 little baby screws. So these are literally what's gonna hold it on. And like you saw, I had the screws on my car now. So I have double the screws. And so it should not be droopy. So I would highly recommend, if you went down anywhere, basically, got basically the same exact screws, just doubled up, get 10 more, and you'll be able to keep it on there nice and secured a lot better. These things are only $25 for these lips. So I had no problem tearing off the last one, and then here I am putting another one on because I actually liked it. I wanted this one over something real because this is, it's first off, it's cheap. It's rubber, so it's flexible on driveways and stuff like that. And I daily drive mine and do delivery, so I'm all over the freaking map. So I don't need something solid that's gonna snap. Let's go outside in this Texas heat and let's make it look better. All right, so I just zipped out all the screws. Now I'm gonna use this alcohol wipe to wipe it all down there. This is all you get to wipe the whole bottom side of the bumper. So that's good. You like that? Or adhesion promoter on this? It's like a dry piece of fucking paper. So now it's time to get started. Let's fucking do it. So what I do is kind of start it with the adhesion, right? Because it does kind of work for a second. That's about all you get. And then see, this side's already not, around the corner here's already not holding. So that means I gotta hurry up and screw this down so I can continue. go ahead and show you this real quick. You see on this corner, this edge, I had to double do it, okay? See, because it turns and it starts to get a little tricky. So yeah, keep that in mind. Edges and such are kind of a pain because the rubber kind of folds and mines weird ways. So just make sure you are doing that. Let's keep going. Pre-cut. There you go. And then I'll make it nice with this cut. Awesome, awesome. That's what it looks like now. I just got to go down, add a few more screws. You can see how the ends are kind of interesting. I may need to add one a little closer to the end, closer this way. Suck it up, you know, like that. But yeah, that's what it looks like. About to add the screws and then I'll put it on the ground to show you. Well, god damn, look at that. Look at that. That's a good looking lip, all right? That's a good looking lip. So there you have it. I'm pretty beat up from the sun, but look at that. $25. $25. Look, that is badass looking, y'all. Badass looking. All right. I'm still a fan of it. Round 2. You saw how easy that was? Yeah, it's not perfect. If you're looking for something that's going to be a beautiful fit, this is not it. But for the most part, like it's a freaking lip spoiler and it works. It's $25 plus they're going to need some screws. There you go. Look at that. So that only took me 30 minutes to do. And I used a total of 23 screws. All right, so I had 10 from the pack, 10 from the last pack, and 3 of my own. All right, we're in business again. Sabrina looking fresh, she's not looking stock anymore. Like I said, my back lip fell off too, so she was naked body, just lowered with a muffler. Now she's back in action. Woo! Well, alrighty, y'all. It was good hanging out with you. Hopefully you did enjoy. Maybe you like the lip. Maybe you'll buy the lip, pick it up at your local Autozone. It'll fit any car. Just make sure the bottom of your bumper is kind of angled the right way. Again, thank you for watching. You'll see more stuff for Sabrina. Please like and subscribe, and let me know what you want to see. And of course, I will see you in the next one. Peace.